Hey all, I'm Darren and I'm here to show you the new Grill Fighter grill brush that they sent me to try out. Let me show you here what this is. It's a bristleless grill brush that's actually super safe, and it comes with a little cauldron here to put the water in because it does use water and a sponge, but it does have a chain mail on it to help you get some of that big tough gunk off of your grill grates. So this is what they sent me, guys. They sent me the brush, the water tank holder here, and the apron.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
All right, guys, so I've tested out many different types of grill brushes, and this Grill Fighter one is very similar to one that I got about 2 years ago called Grill Rescue, which uses a sponge and some kind of material cover here, and it's got a little scraper on top as well, made out of heavy-duty plastic. This was red when I first got it, but being sitting out here on the patio in the Florida summers has really taken away the color. The pad, I haven't replaced it yet, but it's still pretty good. I use it every once in a while. I don't use it all the time. It is one that's got a sponge in here, and you're supposed to fill it up with water, set it in a bucket. This actually comes with something to have the water in and sit the brush in. This one did not. It's one of the reasons why I don't use it often, because I have to go and remember to get a separate bowl and get some water in it before I use it. I've also used something like this, which is another brushless grill cleaner. It does individual grill rods at a time, which this can be very, it's effective, but it's very time consuming because you got to do each individual separate rod of the grill grate to clean it off. So I've had this sitting here in the water for about 10 minutes or so. I got my Weber sear wood getting up to temp. I'm trying to get it to 500. It's at 415 now. It's already good enough to clean it off. When you use something like this, you're going to want to get the grill grates hot, so it's good to use it like right after you're done using it. If you're using it for smoking, you want to get that grill heated up hotter so you can get the grill grates super hot, because it's going to make it to where it'll clean the surface a lot better. It's one of the reasons why you're using water, because the water, will actually create steam and help remove some of that grease and grunge. So as I said, this here's got a sponge, but it also has this chain mail on top here that will not come off and get stuck to your grill grates like some of those with the bristles have. Also has this scraper here that's kind of serrated to help get off any of the gunk. Also has a little bottle opener here on the end, and it also has a little hole you can hang it in some of your places to hang your tools. So it's steel and wood Grill Fighter chainmail brush. You can find it in the link below, but we're going to go ahead and I'll take you up to the grill, show you how it actually cleans real quick. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open this up. Woo, hot. We're going to go ahead and take our, you see it's really dirty here because I cooked some ribs on, beef ribs on here. And boy, it's coming right off for sure. And like I said, I like this one because it's wide enough to cover multiple grates at once. To get to the bottom, you can actually use your little scraper here, get underneath it. It's really comes right off. All the baked on stuff on top. And dip it in the water again. You hear that steam coming off. That's it, guys. I mean, really that stuff from underneath. It does a really good job very quickly. And since it's chainmail, you don't have to worry about this coming off and getting onto your food. So really, really good grill brush. So check it out. It does what it's supposed to do. But now we'll just have to see how long this lasts. It's supposedly stainless steel here, so I'm sure it's going to last a long time. But there you have it, guys. The Grill Fighter chainmail grill brush works pretty good. All right, see ya. Well, there you have it, guys. Check out the Grill Fighter grill brush system in the link below. Think you'll really enjoy it. Looks like it's going to last a long time, and it does a really, really good job. Combines the best of all the other products out there into one great, safe grill brush. Check it out.